Cabanatuan. Okay, from Calidog, the host town. Next, people from Bigawan. More and the senior staff. From Badyanan. Okay, Maasin. Oh, very good.
Uy, Balarang
And then
Messenger.
Laguna.
Pwede.
Potopan. And the last we have from Mina.
Paano ulo na?
Okay, okay, so let's start this one. So the Panabuk workshop. So Panabuk is from the word to book. It is a traditional embroidery of the Panay Bukidnon. Patterns and designs reflect shapes and objects from the environment. Designs